What has happened? And you see it. 5307, 142 on the dial. DOD said, hey Cam, hey push rods, hey lifters, I'm done. I ain't working no more. Got the 243s on it, and that, you know, and that's what's wrong with this motor. 142, DOD wipes the cam out completely. I'm just showing it to y'all. We'll break it down, do a DOD delete, and probably let it go, you know.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wire harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wire harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff. What up? What is happening? Good people. Needless to say, this video will be something you probably be like, where did this come from? What's he doing? How'd that come about? Give a rundown, man. Big shout out to the guys with these OBS's, man. Big inspiration. Got me thinking, I'm like, man, I want an OBS truck. I want one. I had an OBS years ago. It was 94. I turboed it, 5.3, 4L80E, TH400, all that good stuff. I called it the rattle can, or the recipe. Used the recipe from Sloppy Mechanics. Built that truck and had a ball. I really enjoyed it. Sold the truck. And then, you know, as of right now, OBS's are hot. So, I run across one. I'm thinking, hey, maybe I can get me another OBS, build me another OBS, and maybe not to the extent of what I did, you know, not no turbo or nothing like that, just regular old 5.3, 6.0, whatever, and make it ride. Then I got buyer's remorse. You know, I got the truck. I'm like, man, why'd I get this? I don't need another project. So I don't really want to know. I don't really want to be mess with it, because I was like, man, I can go ahead and just get it and I'll flip it. No big deal. Put it on the market, put it in a couple people's ears, say, hey, I got OBS, y'all be interested, here's some pictures. Somebody hits me up. They're like, hey man, I'm interested in that truck. Oh, real? Yeah. Can you do something for me? What's that? Can you 5.3 it and I'll buy it? You sure? Yes, sir. So I'm not gonna say who it is. Y'all will see who it is. Y'all will see the channel, or the vehicle on the channel, on who it belongs to, and we're gonna do a walk around of this OBS. So we're gonna definitely do that. All right, man. It is a straight look. We're gonna look down it. Straight truck. Shout out 78 Chevy boy. Shout out Mr. 75 Caprice. Shout out to all the OBS guys, man. All of them. We got a little rust spot there. This is the worst spot of the truck right there. The guy told me the the jack slipped off the truck and put a dent in it. But if you look at the cab corners, no rust, no bubbling, no peeling, no nothing. It's a 1994 Cheyenne. Of course, it's one wheel peel action. What you see in here, surface rust. Hit it with a wire wheel, knock it off with some, and then hit it with some paint. It's already got shackles on it, as you can see. Brought the rear end down. 2-wheel drive, all ready. Tailgate works. like it's supposed to. And guess what else? It ain't all dented up. It's got a little surface spots, don't get me wrong, but it's a perfect starter. And when I mean perfect, that means you don't have to put no doors on it. You don't have to put no cab quarters in it. Guess what else you don't have to put? You ain't got to put no rocker panels in it, because guess what? Every bit of it's solid. Now, is the interior immaculate? No, not quite. A good cleaning and throw some buckets in here, you in the game, man. You in the game. But we'll take a look at what's under the hood, because it's just your standard, nothing fancy, nothing special. 94 Cheyenne. I like the color. As a matter of fact, my old truck was the same color, exact same color. Mine was a manual that I converted over to a automatic. Uh-oh, you see them bad boys there? Brought them dudes all the way back with me, all the way back. But guess what? I'm tired of them. I'm tired of them, and I might get stung. Y'all great get the enjoyment of seeing me get stung. Again, did I need another project? No, I didn't. Did I want another project? At the time, I thought about it. Here I go, buyer's remorse. Look at it. Good looking little truck. Well, it's got 4.3 liter V6 with a 700R. 700R, which is the issue with the dang car, the vehicle. The 700R is no good. At least that's what I was told, and that's what I'm a bank on, it was no good. 700R is no good. Look at the walls, man. A good clean title on the vehicle, which is cool. Of course, with this particular truck, you see it's TBI, so guess what? Drop a fuel pump in it, and we in the game, because we already got fuel injected setup. TBI setup, man. It's all good, all good. So now I may take y'all on the process of this truck. It's not gonna be a a how-to, because there's plenty of how-tos out there on OBS's. This is gonna be, I'm a 5.3, need maybe TA, maybe a 700R or a 4L60. No cam, no springs, nothing fancy, man. Just a truck that's gonna be a rider, cruiser / get you down the street. 5-on-5 bolt pattern. Of course, you see, good. All the glass is there. It ain't all beat up. And to the guys that wanted the truck, and I talked to y'all about the truck, this guy here had already talked to me about the truck, and he was, he said he'd let me know, so I apologize. With me having buyer's remorse, I no longer want the dang truck. And why did I want it to begin with? Hell, I have something to do, I guess. I got enough projects though. So I'm gonna get my learning on with this truck, because I've already done one OBS, maybe two. I ain't for sure. Let's see, 1, 2. I've done 2. This would be 3, and that'll be 4. That's getting the 5.3 TH, the 5.3 with the NV45 3500 manual, and getting lowered. And of course, look at the cab, rusted out. See it? All rusted out. See, that's what I don't like. And this truck don't have that. But what can I do about it? So all I'm gonna do, like I said, man, pull out that old V6, take it to the scrap yard. If somebody wants it, they can have it. And then pull out the transmission, put in me a, like I said, put in me a 5.3 with a 4L60 or 700R. We'll call it quits, man. I really liked how the 700R performed in that Suburban. I really did. I mean, it did what I wanted it to do, and I wasn't mad about it. So again, OBS build, swaps performance, swaps and stuff. Y'all gonna see it. like I said, and we're not going. Like I said, I'm not revealing who's getting the truck. Y'all see it on the channel when they get it. Chances are it may not look the same. Ain't no telling. I don't know. We shall see. But for the most part, for the OBS guys, big shout out to them, man, for keeping the truck, you know, making them hot again, even though they're already hot. Big shout out to them. Big shout out. I'm gonna get back to it. Y'all be easy.